Hey you guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm doing a gorgeous builder gel set. Well, I say a builder gel set, I've actually got an acrylic overlay on my nails, but with the Build Plus strengthening gel you can just use it as a mask as well, so it's kind of like a 3-in-1. I am in love with it. Look how cute that base is. That colour is called Cover Candy and it is available on my website as well as all the other products. If you want to check anything out, I'll be sure to list it in the description box down below and you guys can go ahead and check it out. You can use my code NINJA10 for 10% off your entire order. But yeah, so I started off with a acrylic, like I said, an acrylic base, and then we've got a layer of the Build Plus. And now I'm coming in and I'm doing a gorgeous pastel set because spring is here, baby, and I am ready for the sunshine, so bring it on, please. So I went ahead with the white gel paint and kind of brushed off the excess product. I then spread that onto the nail very roughly. You just want abstract marks. I cured that in the light and then I came in with my Pastel Party Nail Mate gels and we are just randomly applying those in the same manner. I didn't actually cure between them unless I was going to be overlaying, and then once I've done that I cured them, and then I'm coming in with the same pastel colours and using a dotting tool to add some abstract dots. This pattern is just absolutely stunning and I think it is so versatile and just a real like go-to for a cute salon design. Pair it with a deep French and honestly you're onto a winner, baby. Next I'm coming in and once I've done the abstract nails I am doing a French. So I'm using the Glitter Planet White gel paint. It's currently out of stock at this time of me filming, however I'm hoping to get stock in the next like week or two, so keep your eye on the website. You can sign up for email alerts if you want to as well. But yeah, I'm painting the French and I'm using the 9mm brush for that, which is just, I find, the perfect length for a really nice crisp French that is like not bulky, if you know what I'm saying. Like I've done French in the past, some brushes just make it hard work to kind of get a real slender looking French. But yeah, I'm loving using the 9mm brush. I'm just going to go ahead and do the same design on my ring finger. I wanted to do something simple. I wanted to give you guys some inspo for, you know, nails that you guys can recreate at home. I know you guys enjoy watching me do my acrylic videos, which I'm still going to be doing, but I also wanted to throw in some easy nail art designs that you guys, like I say, can recreate. I want to see you guys tagging me and stuff. Like, get on Instagram, you recreate one of my looks, tag me. I am going to be sharing that, baby. I want to start doing a weekly, like, you know, sharing the love, because you guys rock and I want to give you some support back. Like, you guys are always showing me support as well, so that would be super fun. Yeah, I'm just going ahead and continuing painting on this French. Honestly, I was obsessed with this look and it is actually stunning. Perfect for short nails as well. I guess these are short, but if you wanted them even shorter you could definitely do that and this look would work. So I cured the French and then I'm coming in with my favourite top coat in the entire world, the Nail Mate Super Gloss, applying that to the nails, curing in the light, adding some cuticle oil, and then this is the finished look. Now tell me that ain't cute. Like, seriously? Oh, she is so cute. Anyway, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching, and as always guys, please remember that you are bomb.com, lit as heck, and don't ever let anybody tell you any different, because you've got this and I love you. Mwah. Bye.